Indulge in the art of retail therapy with the London School of Planning and Management. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of retail and sales management? Our LSPM course invites you to uncover the secrets of retail success, from strategic merchandising to crafting unforgettable customer experiences. With LSPM, you will not only learn the tricks of the trade but also master the delicate balance of salesmanship and customer satisfaction. Join us as we unravel the intricacies of retail, empowering you to thrive in this dynamic industry. Don't just sell products, create experiences. Enroll now at LSPM and embark on a journey where every transaction is an opportunity to make a lasting impression. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.